Welcome to the Tech Architect. My name is Imran Ashraf and you are watching Windows 10 tips and troubleshooting video series, and this is the 12th video of the series. In this video, I will discuss here about Cortana. Do more with Cortana. Cortana is Microsoft's personal productivity assistant that helps you to save time and focus attention on what matters most. To get started with Cortana, select Cortana icon from the taskbar, or you can search from here Cortana. The app is already available and you can click from here. The first thing is, let me start from here. Check your calendar with Cortana. You need to click on this mic and you have to speak whatever you want. Like if I say, am I free at noon tomorrow? You just notice that it reply me, you don't have anything scheduled for tomorrow. And here are the suggestions you can select from here if you want to add something in your to-do list, or where is my next meeting, or remind whatever you want. You can also ask Cortana by typing here, but I am not typing here, but I am only speaking to her and asking her what is the next and whatever I can do. The next thing is have Cortana reminds you. If I want something Cortana reminds me, I can select this, or I can speak again, like I say, remind me to send the status report on Friday at 9 a.m. Remind me to send the status report on Friday at 9 a.m. I need to repeat this, and it just edit this on in my calendar. I will remind you, and in my to-do list it has added on 8th October 9 a.m. that is Friday, and it will remind me at the same time. The next thing is join a team meeting with Cortana. Cortana can also help you to quickly join online meeting in the MS Teams. Like if I say join my meeting, it's replying me that there is nothing at the moment for me to join because I don't have in my calendar. You can also set alarm with the Cortana by saying this, like set an alarm for 3 p.m. Now it's the alarm clock has been set, only it will be remind you only once at 3 p.m. So that is about the alarm. And the next thing is Cortana can be your dictionary. Yes, Cortana can be your dictionary, and you can ask Cortana like when you need to know something, meaning of the word, or just you just say like I want to know what is the meaning of the chemistry. It first type the my question what I ask, and then it replies. I pulled up the definition of chemistry, and it replies here. The definition of chemistry is the branch of the science that deals with the identification, whatever it is. I'm not going in detail. So the next thing is look it up with Cortana. Cortana can give you quick answers to the questions you need. Like if I ask, how tall is Eiffel Tower? You just notice that it's all information it provided me about the Eiffel Tower. No need to go to the Google and type and finding something. It's shortcut, and Cortana is available. You can search anything. Next thing is Cortana can keep you up to date. Uh, yes, Cortana can help you to stay informed what's going on in the world. Only you need to say what is the top headline news, and it is showing me the top headline news. No need to go to the again to the Google and ask whatever. Cortana can save your time. Yes, Cortana can save time. Use your productivity assistant to help you to navigate to the apps. Like if I want to open MS Word, I need to ask open Word. You just notice that MS Word is opening, and it has been opened. No need to go and type, just ask her, it will open. And the last thing is check the weather forecast for Cortana. You can also check weather forecast. You can ask the question like, is it going to rain tomorrow? In whichever region you are, it will tell you about the. This is telling me Rawalpindi, Punjab, October 2, tomorrow's date, and 56% is a forecast, and its humidity is 81%. All about the forecast. So viewer, this is all about the Cortana, and if you like and you learn something new, please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching this, and bye for now.